Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to solve an equation using completing the square, and the goal of this is to find x values where the following is true. And so we're technically solving quadratic equations. And so what we're going to do first, we're going to add the 63 to both sides to isolate the x squared plus 16x. And that's now going to be equal to, if we combine those, that's 57. Okay, so now we'll complete the square on this stuff, and so we have x squared plus 16x. Okay, we're going to do plus something minus something is equal to 57. Sometimes your teacher will add the same thing to both sides of the equation. They might add it to the left and the right side. However, we are not going to do it that way, only because I don't want you to accidentally forget when a is bigger than 1 to multiply what gets added on the right side by whatever that scalar is. So if we do this, we have 16 divided by 2 squared being equal to 8. Notice I wrote this down, positive 8. I want that because I'm going to factor this, so we're going to do 8 squared, which is equal to 64. 64 and 64. And so this is going to simply factor as x, and we have a plus 8, so plus 8 squared minus 64 is equal to 57. Okay, so then from here, what we can do is we can add the 64 to both sides. And I believe this gives us x plus 8 squared is equal to 121. We can square root both sides, and we now have x plus 8 being equal to plus or minus 11. Notice that it's plus or minus. That is because we have an x here and it's being squared. And so if we take the positive or negative value and we square it, it will be positive, and it will give us positive 121 in both cases. So then if we want to finish, we minus 8 from both sides. This gives us x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus 11, which is x is equal to negative 8 plus 11, which is equal to 3, or x is equal to negative 8 minus 11, which is equal to negative 19. So then our solutions are x is equal to 3 or negative 19. And please don't forget, since this is student practice, go to the bottom of the worksheet and check your answers. I know that we're all, trying to do our own thing. We're trying to learn. Remember, you can watch these videos multiple times, and hopefully you'll get the gist of this, because this has really turned into independent practice for now. And I'll do my best to fill in the gaps if you have more questions, guys. All right, thank you.